Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add PNG image border in Photoshop document. So let's start. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add border PNG image. Now you going to the insert the PNG image. Then PNG image add border. Now going to the layer menu option. Then click. Now select from. Now click from mouse right button. Then click from blending option. Now you can see then show the new interface. Now click from stroke option. Now you can see and stroke in the size. Now choose from size. Now select from color. Now choose from red color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That it's. Now you can see add border PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe me.